and the masters of the universe. I am Adam, Prince of Eternia and defender of the secrets of Castle Grayskull. This is Cringer, my fearless friend. Fabulous secret powers were revealed to me the day I held aloft my magic sword and said, "By the power of Grayskull, Cringer became the mighty Battle Cat, and I became He-Man, the most powerful man in the universe. Only 3 others share this secret. Our friends, the Sorceress, Man-at-Arms, and Orko. Together, we defend Castle Grayskull from the evil forces of Skeletor.
Hey, Stanley, stop everything. I've got a new trick to show you.
I can't right now, Orko. I've got a lot of work to do before Malactha gets back.
Ah, come on, you can work anytime.
No! I have to finish my work first, I promised.
Well, then I'll help you. Stand by for some magic. We'll have this done in no time at all. I command you, little broom, go to work and dust this room.
Be careful, Orko. It's going awfully fast.
Hey, stop! Stop! I command you! Oh, that's not me! Oh, no!
Oh, no! Stop it!
Phew!
What am I gonna do? Malactha's gonna be angry with me.
I'll fix it.
Please, no more favors, Orko.
What's this? Why, it must have been inside the statue.
It's a map. But I can't read it. Never seen that language before.
Well, looks important. Let's show it to Adam.
You're right, it looks very important. I can't read it, but I know who can. Malactha.
Malactha? Can't we find out what it is before he gets back?
I understand, Stanley. Let's see what the Sorceress can make of this.
Great!
Just when I was getting ready for a nice quiet nap.
I see a Wind Raider taking off.
Closer, you fool!
Yes, Master.
Closer, you fool!
Oh, I heard you, Master. You don't have to tell me twice.
Closer, you fool!
I heard you, Master.
That wasn't me. Do you take me for a dunce?
Yes, Master.
What?
No.
Silence! Follow the Wind Raider. Keep that thing quiet, Furface, or I'll turn you and your pollywag into rocks and drop you overboard.
Hey, be quiet, lizard lips.
Be quiet, Furface.
Hey.
Oh, we're almost there.
Oh, no! I forgot to tell Malactha where I was going.
Well, don't worry. I'm sure Teela will tell him where we've gone.
I hope so, because he's gonna be real angry about that statue.
Oh, no. My priceless statue. Broken. Shattered. That boy just can't be trusted anymore. What a mess. I'm going to have a talk with him. If I can find him.
Stanley's gone with Adam and Orko to Castle Grayskull. They found a map inside the statue that Orko broke.
Orko broke it? Well, why didn't they wait for me? I must go to Castle Grayskull immediately.
I'll go with you. This may take a little while, Adam. This language is very old, and I must find a particular book to help me with the translation.
Well, take your time, Sorceress.
Yeah, take your time. I'm gonna get some sleep.
like to know what's going on in there. Beastman, can you communicate with that furry pet of yours?
Of course, Master. I am not the king of beasts for nothing.
I have a plan. We'll send the Hollywag into the castle to listen in on their conversations. Anything the Hollywag hears, you will hear too.
Fly to the castle and keep your mouth shut. Yeah, keep your mouth shut. Holly, Holly.
What's that?
Holly, Holly.
Look at him.
Oh, he seems to like you, Stanley.
Hey, he's cute.
Holly, Holly.
I think I'll call you Holly.
I've got it. It says, follow the map through the caves of the wind to the temple of the wolf.
Go on. What else is she saying?
Inside the statue of the wolf is hidden the Ancient's Book of Spells.
The Ancient's Book of Spells. I must have it. Ready the basher, Trapjaw. Come, Beastman. We must get that map.
Nothing we say must go beyond this room. The book is locked in a box inside the statue. To open the box, you must repeat the secret passwords. Nepo Amasis. You must bring the book to me, Adam. If it falls into the wrong hands, all Eternia will be in danger.
Don't worry, Sorceress. Nobody else knows about it.
The caves of the wind? Ooh, that sounds scary to me.
Everything sounds scary to you, Cringer.
There's two things I'm not scared of. Eating and sleeping.
I think we have company.
Skeletor!
I knew I should have stayed home.
Check your seatbelts. Things are gonna get rough.
We're almost on them.
Maybe we can force them to land. Zap their retro trim.
Hold on, I'm gonna try to lose them.
Hang tight, Golly.
Beastman, you clumsy oaf, put your seatbelt on.
Hang on.
Where'd they go? I lost them,
You incompetent pile of scrap metal. Next time I'll fly and you can walk. Go to the caves of the wind. We'll catch them there.
Wow, what's flying, Adam?
Well, I think we've outfoxed them this time.
Can I look now?
I think so, Cringer.
Oh, I'm glad that's over.
What was Skeletor doing here?
Who knows, but I don't think he'll bother us anymore now that we've lost him. There's no way he could know where we're going. He doesn't know about the map.
At least we know about the map. When they get here, we'll have a little surprise for them, right, Beastman?
Right.
It's dark in there, Adam.
I'll fix it. The cave is dark, as black as night. I command you, give us light! Whoa, I said light, not a kite! Ready!
Let's go. You have the map, Stanley?
In my pocket, Adam. The map is as safe as can be.
The boy has the map in his pocket.
Excellent.
Adam has gone to the caves of the wind to recover the Ancient's Book of Spells.
I must have it to study.
The book must be brought here. It is too important to risk falling into Skeletor's hands. Why don't you catch up with Adam? I'm sure he'll welcome your help.
Right. Let's go, Teela. I have a few things to tell that young Stanley.
Master, someone's coming.
We must give them a warm welcome.
Stay close, Malacca. Skeletor! What are you doing here?
Same thing as you, my dear. Looking for a certain book.
How did you know?
I must confess I owe it all to our young friend, Stanley.
I knew it. I knew that boy couldn't be trusted.
Trapjaw, you keep our guests company while Beastman and I go after the map. If they try anything...
They won't.
Looks like we take the right-hand turn.
They're taking the right-hand turn.
We must get the book before he does.
We've got to get out of here. You distract him while I try to cut through the net.
All right. I'll think of something.
No whispering.
Fire! Stop it! Stop it! I'm afraid of fire! Help!
Oh, all right. I'll put it out.
Help! Oh, I'm afraid of fire!
Thanks, Trapjaw.
Take this, Teela.
That should hold you for a while.
Oh, Skeletor's not gonna like this. Oh.
We have to find that traitor, Stanley. Hurry!
I still can't believe Stanley would do this.
Seeing is believing.
Cringer, come back.
Adam, where are you?
Hang in there, Cringe. By the power of Grayskull.
Thanks, He-Man. I needed that.
You're welcome. Now let's get to work. We've got some pest controlling to do.
Wow! It's He-Man!
Trying the old squeeze play, eh? Well, we'll see about that. Now let's find out how you like being squeezed. Now you know what it feels like.
Fooled ya.
Hang on, Holly!
Watch where you're going, young man. Have you no manners?
Skeletor!
He-Man, Skeletor's got Stanley.
Skeletor and Beastman. No wonder these caves are overrun with pests.
That'll slow him down for a while. Long enough for us to find what we came for.
You'd better let me go! He-Man's my friend, and Orko's magic will just...
Quiet, young fool. Give me that map.
What map?
This map. Uh-huh. I see exactly how to get there. Follow me, Beastman. Bring the boy along.
Keep quiet and don't try anything funny.
Silence, Furface.
Holly! You can talk like Skeletor!
I am not the king of beasts for nothing.
And Beastman!
I told you to be quiet, you stupid hollywag. You've done your job. We've got the map and we don't need you anymore.
Nothing we say must go beyond this room.
It was you, Holly! You gave us away!
That's right. This little bird told us everything. Now stop chattering and follow me.
Well, Orko, any ideas?
No, how about you?
Well, first I'll try getting a little speed up.
A cave-in. We cannot go any further.
We must!
But we... Wait! What's that?
He-Man!
Teela, I'm glad you're here. Have you seen Stanley? He's been captured by Skeletor.
Captured? Ha! He's in league with Skeletor. He betrayed us.
I don't believe it.
Nor do I.
Skeletor himself said so.
Skeletor is not the most honest man on Eternia. In any case, we must reach the Book of Spells before he does.
I memorized the map, He-Man.
Then lead on, and hurry.
It must be here somewhere. Inside the statue, perhaps. Back! Stop him, Beastman!
I can't.
That was close. Now if I could just find that book.
You must bring the book to me. If it falls into the wrong hands, all Eternia will be in danger.
The Ancient's Book of Spells. But how can I get to it?
You must repeat the secret passwords.
I forgot them. Open sesame. How about open book?
The fool! How could he forget the secret passwords?
Nepo Amasis.
You did it, Holly.
Not so fast! Stand back! The book is mine!
No, I didn't do it. It was Skeletor.
What's the matter, Beastman? Run into something you couldn't handle?
Help me, man. Help me. I'll do anything. Just keep it away from me. I can't control it.
What's wrong, boy? Did Beastman do something naughty?
Good boy. Now, if Beastman answers our questions, I won't have to let you at him again. Where is Skeletor? What have you done with Stanley?
Skeletor and Stanley are in the temple.
See? I told you we couldn't trust Stanley. He's with Skeletor.
We'll see about that. Lead us to the temple, Beastman.
I forgot the way.
Well, did you hear that? He forgot the way.
No, I remember.
Out of my way!
No!
You cannot escape, Skeletor! Give it to me!
Fly, Holly! Catch! Go, Holly, go!
You can't get out! Come back here! I'll make Hollywag pie out of you! I'll turn you into a paperweight!
Hold it, Skeletor.
Stay where you are, He-Man. If I can't have it, no one can!
We'll see about that. Fly to the Sorceress, Holly.
Last you, He-Man! Take this!
Thanks, Stanley. I'll take it from here. Get him, boy.
Oh, time to go! There will be another time, He-Man!
And we'll be ready for you.
Did you see that? Stanley helped He-Man. Maybe I was wrong about him.
Yes, Malactha. You were wrong about Stanley. Our little Holly is very talented, but he was under Beastman's control the whole time.
We'll send the Hollywag into the castle to listen in. Whatever he hears, we will too.
See? That's how Skeletor knew everything. But now Holly is free to choose his own masters. Do you want to go back to Beastman, Holly?
Do you take me for a dunce? I want to stay with you.
I apologize, Stanley. I should have known better.
Well, that's all right. I'm sorry about breaking the statue. I shouldn't have let Orko help me in the first place.
Did someone mention my name? I have a present for you two.
Uh-oh. Is this one of your famous tricks, Orko?
No, take it. You'll see.
You fixed it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Say, it looks a little dusty in here. How about I give you a hand?
No, thanks.
I can't understand why not. How about a trick? I got a new one. No one's seen it yet. It's your big chance.
No, thanks.
How about you, Holly? Want to see a trick?
Do you take me for a dunce?
In today's adventure, we saw what happens when we make up our minds about something before we have the facts. It's called jumping to conclusions, and anyone who does that will usually find that the conclusion is wrong. That's what happened to Malactha. If he had only... Well, hello, Holly. Is there something you want to say?
Yes. Don't jump to conclusions. Don't jump to conclusions.
That's good advice. And if anyone asks, just say a little bird told you. See you all soon.